Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Welcome to Dr. K.S. Academy. My name is Engineer Rahman Khan. Let's start the lecture number 7, part A of Building Construction Engineering. So the outline of this lecture are we will discuss stone masonry construction and this lecture. So in stone masonry construction, we will define the stone masonry and we will discuss the use of stone masonry. And after that, we will define and discuss different terminology which is used in the stone masonry, and then the classification of stone masonry, and then general principle which is used for stone masonry construction, and the performance enhancement, and the last we will discuss different tools which is used in the stone masonry construction. Stone masonry. So building stone is the oldest construction material which obtained by cutting rock to suitable dimension. So building stones is a natural material of construction, and it is obtained from rock by suitable method of quarrying. So stones, when derived from rock, is and are very irregular in shape and size. So they are therefore dressed for proper bedding, thin joints, and speedy construction. When such stones, blocks, are laid with cement or lime mortar in a systematic manner, they form a structure mass. So we can define the stone masonry as the art of placing stones in a systematic manner with or without a mortar to form a structure mass is known as stone masonry. So you can see the building up which is constructed from stone. The stone masonry is generally used in those parts of the world where it is cheaply and easily available. So in Pakistan, stone masonry is commonly used in northern areas of KP and in Azad Kashmir. So now let's discuss the uses of stone masonry. So stone masonry is used almost in every component of the buildings, either super or substructures. So stone masonry is used in the foundation, in the pier, pillar and architecture work. It is used in of making lintels, beams or arches and domes, the roofs and the roof cover. Stone masonry is used in cladding work. So cladding work, it is a protective or decorative layer applied to a building exterior or interior surfaces. So now let's discuss different terminology which is used in the stone masonry. So the first one is natural bed of a stone. So the original surface occupied by a stone during its formation is called natural bed of the stone. So for the sedimentary rock, the natural bed of the stone is along their plane of formation, and for the metamorphic rock, it is along the plane of cleavage or separation. Bedding plane. So the plane along which the stone can be separated into different layers is called bedding plane. So in stone masonry, each stone should be placed in such a manner that the pressure acts at right angle to the bedding plane of the stone so that it can take more load. String courses. So basically the string course is a horizontal course which we provided at roof or floor level, and it is projecting outside from the wall because we provide the string courses to protect or to throw out rainwater which may otherwise slide along the wall surface and cause dampness in the building. Corbel. So a corbel is a projection from a wall that supports a structural element above it, such as an arch, beam, or balcony. The corbel helps in load distribution and adds architecture aesthetics. So we can say that the corbel provides structural support to the building. You can see in the figure that a corbel is here and it supports the first floor slabs. You can see in this is the corbel. Cornice. So a cornice is a decorative horizontal molding that crown a building or wall, often projecting outward. It serves both aesthetics and functional purposes by directing rainwater away from the structure. So cornice protects wall from water damage and adds an ornamental touch to buildings. So you can see in this figure, this is the cornice which protect this wall from the dampness. So it throughout the rain water here. Blocking course. So blocking course of the stone masonry is provided above the cornice to prevent it from overturning. So you can see that this is the cornice, and above the cornice we provided the blocking course. So the purpose of providing blocking course is provides weight to stabilize and secure the structure below and enhance the aesthetic appearance of the building and protects underlying masonry from the weathering. Trees. So it is the course provided below the cornice. So you can see this is the cornice, and we provide the trees below the cornice. So the purpose of providing trees is adds or ornamental beauty to the buildings. It can contain aesthetics details, and sometimes we provide the trees to conceal structure joints. Dripstone. So a dripstone is a projecting stones molding usually above windows, doors, or cornices designed to channel rainwater away. So you can see in the figure that the dripstone is provided here to throw out the water from the building. So the purpose of dripstones to prevent water from the running down walls, reducing erosion and staining, protects opening from moisture infiltration, and it enhances the aesthetic detail of structure. Why? It is the continuous vertical cross-section of the building, and we provide the white to provide structure stability and can act as an insulating or decorative layer. Through stones, a stone extended through the entire thickness of the wall. You can see this is a wall, and this is the through stone which extends to the entire thickness of the wall. So we provide the through stone because it enhances the strength and bonding of the multi-white masonry walls, prevent separation between walls layers, improve load distribution and stability. Belt course. So a continuous horizontal course of plate stones marking a division in the wall plane. So the purpose of belt course are adds visual distinction and architectural detail. It helps control water runoff and protect lower section from weathering. Cleavage. The ability of rock mass to break along natural surfaces and seams. So the cleavage helps in shaping stones for masonry and flooring, allows easy splitting into thin sheets for construction use, and it determines the suitability of stone for specific application. Veneer stones, a non-structured passing of stones attached to a backing for ornamentation, protection, or insulation. So supports no veneer should support no load other than its own weight and possibly the vertical dead load of the veneer above. So the veneer stones enhance the aesthetic appeal of the walls and surfaces. It provides a lightweight, cost-effective alternative to solid stone masonry. It's improved weather resistance when applied with proper backing. So you can see this is the veneer stones which provide at the backing of a wall. Coping. So it is the special course provided at the export top of the wall. You can see this is a stone wall, and we provide the coping at the top of this wall. So uh, we provide the coping to prevent rainwater to penetrate the wall. So the purpose of the coping to prevent water penetrating and damage the wall, enhance the durability of masonry structures. It adds an aesthetics, finished walls and parapets,